YouTube is going to add even more video resolution controls and options on mobile. We're all very familiar with how when you're watching a YouTube video, you can select the resolution on your phone. Videos all the way up to 4K, obviously. By the way, what resolution you guys watch on your phone if you're out?
Oh. 720, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's a good balance.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do 1080.
1080?
Yeah.
Not very efficient, Jack.
I know.
You
think you're doing good.
You're enjoying yourself too much out there.
And you realize.
Not really a saving a seal mentality.
I need to revisit that, obviously.
Jack's watching 144p Save the Planet.
Just this close to my...
Well, anyway, I don't know if people wanted more control or if the resolution itself was not translated enough to individuals, because they added another menu in there, video quality preferences. So you have even more control or different ways of interacting with the quality of your content. So now you can have an automatic mode, which will automatically adjust to give you the best experience depending on your current situation, your connection, and a variety of other variables. You can also select higher picture quality, which will use more data. There's a data saver setting for the lowest picture quality. And then you click on advanced to go in and select a specific resolution. So I guess the feeling here is that for the average user, they don't want to see a number like 1080p or 720p. They can just say, I want it to look better, or I want to save data, and kind of skip out of the more advanced version of the menu. Obviously, for us, I think we're all pretty aware of how video resolution works, but YouTube wants to be for everyone and give people more tools and control. So I suppose that's the motivation to add this advanced feature in here.